What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm going on a bicycle ride because today is Sunday and some group has organized something 50 kilometers का ride. तो उसमें जा रहा हूँ मैं. Even I don't know who they are. I know only one person, Chirag from there, who has informed me regarding this. Let's go. It's almost 5:30, 5:20, 20 it is basically. So 5:20 I'm going to leave from my house. The ride is from Ponda to Raya to Nuve to Machota, like that. But let's see where it goes. Chalo, let's go. Good morning, Gundos. My Gundos are all over here. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. Chalo, let's leave for the ride. Early morning I don't leave. I had left for the marathon race, but it was not that foggy. But now it's a little bit foggy in the morning as the winters are here almost. कब आएंगे पता नहीं. It's not that cold, but fog तो है थोड़ा. सुनसान रात, सुबह सुबह मस्त लगता है भाई. Solo rides I enjoy a lot, but groups also good because if you're traveling little bit far away, group is important. कुछ हो गया तो like लोग रहते हैं attend करने के लिए. Solo then it's all solo. But I love solo rides. Rides हुए, drives हुए. Solo भी अच्छे हैं क्योंकि किसी समय हम रुक सकते हैं. We can wait. We can do some adventure things, but group में उनके साथ रहना पड़ता है उतना ही. So I'm going to stop making videos and I'm going to leave as I have to reach Raya by 6 o'clock. चलो, पता नहीं कितना दिख रहा है लेकिन फॉग तो है भाई. फॉग तो है. As you all know, the Raya road, how it is. It is very steep. It is very थोड़ा मेहनत लगता है जाने के लिए आगे. गॉड, मेहनत तो लगेगा ही भाई. मेहनत तो लगेगा ही. मजा आने वाला है भाई. Now we are going downhill. That was uphill. So, it's cool. Hopefully we don't come back like this. I'll have to come, but not again. Because we are going to Nuve. By what way I have no idea. Only from here only we will be going. Taking it. ठंडी हवा, काल की हवा, क्या ही मजा है. Almost over there. The place I told my friend that I'm going to reach. So on my left side there is a bar and restaurant. After that comes the Suzuki showroom. ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है बहुत. Trying to fix it properly now. अभी नहीं होगा. घर जाके करेंगे हम. हाँ, as you all can see, the time is 6 and I have reached the venue, but they are not yet over here. As you can see, this is a shipyard, I guess so. And if If I go a little more in front, the Bori bridge is going to come. तो वो लेफ्ट में जाता है लोटले, तो हम इधर रुकेंगे अभी. We are going to wait over here. दाढ़ी पे मूंछ पे सब फॉग जमा है. So all everything is water. The major thing I have forgotten is my water bottle. I just kept on the chair to bring, but सब urgency से सब लेके आया, bottle ही भूल गया मैं उधर. So I'll have to buy now water. Anyways I was supposed to buy, but क्या करेंगे? But something bad before is better than something bad afterwards. So एक बुरा टल गया मेरा. It is around 6:10 and they have not come yet. Hopefully this is the place they have told me to come. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but this is all fog. सब fog है इस तरफ. Foggy, foggy, foggy today. Foggy, foggy. I feel they are the ones. I'm not sure. Pick light. I think they are the ones. I feel so. I think so. They were not. This is the place I was talking about. तो हम रुके थे उधर. So I have reached over here now. और आ रहा है यो. हाँ यो. Sadly, we are again at this junction. Left is cemetery of राया. तो हमें ये ऊपर अपहिल करना पड़ेगा. I didn't want to come actually like this on this side at least, because very steep. Oh, you can see I have downshifted, that's why it's going very slow. Oh, hey, last padao bhai, last padao. After that it is Swarg. Come on boy, last, come on. Now we have got reunited with the boys. Oh yeah, this is Chirag and we are waiting for the others. We don't know where to go from this. Then this is the Nuwe church. मैं तो पीछे हूँ भाई. I never went so fast. I used to take time, take pictures, look here, there, enjoy the nature. Today I'm going a little bit faster. What? What was that now?
ते मुंडाल बेटे तांदारा काय बनती है तांदारा तो मुंडलो
Looks nice, no?
बुरशी झाली तिथे
Pichalan.
तो असल्या पुढं काय
Oh, Titan.
तो रोड
हाँ नहीं हुआ भाई, इसलिए चल रहा हूँ मैं अभी। तो हम अभी पहुँच गए वेना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट। कैसे भी करके ठोक ठोक के जाम होके पेडल मार के आधा टेढ़ा राइट लेफ्ट जाते जाते साड़ी हाँ
गाडी येते ना घेऊन या ते मुंडले मेले मुंडला
as you can see, it's a very beautiful scenery, लेकिन इतनी फटी है हमारी इतनी फटी है कि आगे नहीं जा पा रहे हम। Oh, there's a peacock, peahen, sorry, there's a peahen I can see, pretty. ये दुख काय खत्म नहीं हो रहा है बे। हेलो today my legs are paining very badly near my knees and all. Thighs, sorry, not knees, thighs. और पढ़ का इधर है। ओके चल रहे गेले जाए
वही तो तू नाम
खोय खोय बता दे
होगा
या मेरे से
तो गेले
I was supposed to actually leave from Lotli Junction, but the plans are to have Bhaji Pav at Borim, so I'm going to continue the plan as it is. तो हम जा रहे हैं बोरी अभी भाजी पाव खाने। तो मैं इधर ब्रिज के ऊपर जाते हुए Oh God. Now we are having bhaji pav. What's that, Maya?
कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट करना
बाएं मोड़ में करो। So, see you soon.
Hey, see you. Ah, तू असं नाही.
So,
Next Friday सांगतो तुला.
okay, sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Maya, bye.
विनायक पट
Pritesh. बाहेर चल रे नेक्स्ट टाइम सांग मग We are done. They went on the other side as they are from Boring and Ponda, and I moved towards मारगांव. तो फिर से आ गए हम बोरी पुल पे. ये ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा देख के. I don't know if you can see or not, but this is what I can see for now. Now that's the place I was standing in the morning. So that the right road goes to Lothlim. तो स्ट्रेट जाएगा मडगांव. Finally we have reached Arlen Junction. We will reach Arlen Junction. That feels nice, man. After the climb. थोड़ा एनर्जी आ गया अभी. But the pav bhaji saved me. Seriously, the pav bhaji saved me. By the time I reached to the hotel over there, oh my god, I was tired like shit. Pav bhaji, mirchi, and a cup of coffee. Now, finally I'm taking the camera in my hand and I'm vlogging. उस टाइम कैसा होता था क्योंकि मुझे चेस करना पड़ता था. Understood? They all are very fast, and I normally don't ride that fast. So slow चलाता हूँ मैं, उतना fast नहीं. So I had to chase. So I couldn't take my mobile in my hand and do the videos and all. So सब मेरे chest mount से ही वीडियो लिया है मैंने. If I would take my mobile in my hand, then I would lose them. Literally, I would lose them. So I had to push myself, and this is the first time where I have really pushed myself. Thighs started paining. इसीलिए मैंने बोरी में जाके पाव भाजी खाने का मन किया क्योंकि later only I would not reach home. मैं श्योर डैडी को बुलाता था, गाड़ी लेके आओ, साइकिल गाड़ी में डालते हैं और चलते हैं. But finally we have reached. Oh God, this was something. भाई चलो पहला इसको लॉक डालते हैं बाद के बाद. सो इसको क्लीन करना पड़ेगा फिर से. सब निकालता हूँ और ऊपर जाता हूँ. और बात करना है मुझे, लेकिन पहले घर जाता हूँ, नहाता हूँ पहला, उसके बाद वीडियो कंटिन्यू करता हूँ मैं. तो यस, आफ्टर हैविंग बाथ आई एम फीलिंग मच बेटर. तो ये हुआ हेलमेट, ए पंप और all my light का things over here. So I'm going to keep this in my car. Basically I'm keeping in my car as going down taking everything will be more convenient than keeping on top near the staircase. Yes, at one time when I was at Bori, this also came into my mind, telling my dad to pick me up from Borim, bringing the car, just pick me up. But after eating that bhaji pav really helped me. I think next time morning I have to have something and go. तो मैं इधर रखता हूँ like all my things over here and helmet and pump, and these are all my dance ka banners. It still need to be put. It will happen in few more days. So yes, everything is sorted. The kilometers I didn't record because I thought that battery will get over. That's why I didn't record. So total was 50 kilometers, but I'll have to calculate those things. तो मुझे गूगल में देखना पड़ेगा कि राफोन टू बोरिम कितना पड़ेगा, और that will be 30 kilometers. No, that will be 40 kilometers which I have gone. Let's do that. Before everything, we'll have pad morning breakfast. तो बात ऐसी है, from my place from Raofon to Borim is 13 kilometers, and after everything from going to coming to Raofon it comes up to 64 kilometers. So today total ride kilometers was 64. Next time I'll take care of recording all these things, motion, because I thought the battery would go, but I had also taken the power bank. So next time I would better track the kilometers how many they are. So this was an awesome ride. I know it was too much for me, but it was great. Chalo, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.